Hi friends, welcome to your beginner yoga series. Today is our day 3 out of day 7 yoga journey to get you started into this beautiful yoga journey. So if you're ready, just grab your mat, grab a couple blocks and some knee pads. We'll be getting into some standing postures today. So we'll be going through some of the similar postures we went through the past couple of days and adding on some downward dogs with ab work as well. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start an easy pose. At the center or the front of our mat, sit up nice and tall. Your chest is open, shoulders are relaxed and heavy away from the ears. And let your palms rest on your knees. And just focus on breathing. Breathing in and out through your nose as you fill up the lungs with lots of air. And exhale, releasing everything out that no longer serves you. Focusing on being present. Letting the mind be still, no thoughts, no worries. Just be in this moment. And on your next breath in, open your arms and stretch them all the way up towards the sky. Deep breath in. Exhale, drop your left hand down, reach the right arm up and over. Easy pose, side body stretch. What we're gonna do is bend our right elbow and place your hand behind your head. Inhale, open a little bit more as you point the elbow up towards the sky. And exhale, drop that elbow towards the left knee. Inhale, lift, reach up. Exhale, drop the elbow down. Inhale, try to go deep by opening the side body. And exhale, touch the elbow to the knee. Inhale, breathe in through the nose. And exhale, dive the elbow towards your knee. Inhale, lift the elbow back up. Reach your right arm to release and stretch it back over. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, reach further, but keep your tailbone grounded on your mat. And then drop your right hand down and walk your hands towards the center. Inhale, open your chest, lift the head. Exhale, fold. Let your head be heavy and reach as far as you can here. Just make sure that your tailbone is staying grounded on the mat. You want to feel the stretch in your back. Doesn't matter how far you go, just breathe here, letting yourself be. And walk your hands towards the right side. Side body stretch. Your right hand is planted down as the left arm stretches over. Really reach that hand as far as you can. Open up through the left rib cage. Bend your left elbow, hand places behind the head. We're going to inhale and lift that elbow up. And exhale, drop the elbow towards the knee. Inhale, left elbow reaches up. And drop it towards the right knee on the exhale. Inhale, work with your breath. Really open up. And exhale, tap it to the knee. Inhale, open up even further. Exhale, tap it down. And inhale, lift the elbow. Hold it here. Straighten that top arm as you stretch it back over. Deep breath in. Exhale out. And coming back to center as you lift your arms up. Exhale, hands come back beside your hips with the fingertips facing behind you. And we're just going to lift our hips and our pelvis up towards the sky as we keep our legs crossed here. Just to open up your heart, stretch the front of the body, and then lower the hips down. And come on into tabletop position. All fours, so we stack our shoulders over our wrists and our hips over our knees. Inhale, we're going to drop the belly low, arch the back as you look up. And exhale, round out your spine, bringing your chin in towards your chest. Inhale, dropping the belly low, look up. Exhale, rounding your spine into angry cat, chin to chest. Inhale, dropping the belly, looking up. And exhale, round it up. Moving the spine in two opposite directions here to really lubricate. One last time. Pulling the shoulder blades apart on the exhale. Dropping your belly so you're in a flat back. Squeeze your belly in so your navel is really connected to your spine here. We're going to inhale, keep our left hand planted under the left shoulder. Reach the right arm up, and exhale, thread the needle as your right arm comes under the left. Resting on your right cheek, and stretch your left arm all the way forward. So both elbows are extended. You're creating like an L shape with both of your arms. And just resting on the side of your face here. Really breathing into this nice shoulder opening. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. As you inhale, first walk that left hand underneath the shoulder and push your weight up. Right arm reaches back up on the inhale, and exhale, drop it underneath the shoulder. Inhale, lift your left arm up towards the sky. Exhale, thread it through right under the right arm and resting on the side of your face. Reaching the right arm all the way forward. Arms are extended. Use your breath to go deeper here. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Walk your right hand underneath your right shoulder as you push your weight up. Inhale, left arm reaches up. And exhale, left hand comes back down onto the mat. We're in all fours position. Extend your right leg back behind you into a half bird dog pose. So just like we did if you were in day 1 and day 2 with me, except we're gonna add on, tuck our left toes underneath, lift the left knee off of your mat. So you want that left hip over your knee. Your back is flat, core is engaged. And we're gonna crunch just a few times as you inhale. Keep that left knee lifted, knee to nose. Exhale, extend the right leg straight back. Inhale, knee to nose. And exhale, reach it straight back. Keep that knee lifted. Try to keep everything aligned here. Reach the leg back. Last one, you got this. Stay strong, knee to nose. Exhale, extend it back. Drop that knee, rest your toes, leg comes down, and sit your hips towards your heels, child's pose. Forehead resting heavy onto your mat, and your hips are towards the heels. Just feel this nice stretch in your back, calming the mind. Let your face relax, your eyes are closed. And on your next inhale, we're gonna roll back through forward into tabletop position, all fours. Extend your left leg back, bird dog, half bird dog because both of our hands are on the mat. Tuck your right toes, lift the right knee off the mat. Keep that left leg super straight, point your toes. Take a deep breath in as you inhale, left knee to nose, and exhale, reach it straight back. Keeping the right knee hovered onto the mat. Inhale. Exhale, reach it back. If it's too much, feel free to drop that right knee down and just still go with this motion of moving your left leg forward and back here. Reach it back. Last time. Inhale. Exhale, reach it back. Drop your right knee. Rest the toes. Left knee comes in. And sit it back, child's pose. Relax here. Good, and then let's roll back through forward, tabletop position. Tuck your toes underneath you, and you're going to inhale and arch your back, lift your head up like a cow. Make sure those toes are tucked, and we're gonna exhale and push our body weight back into a modified down dog as we keep our knees bent. And we're gonna do that movement with breath as you inhale, drop your knees, drop the belly, lift the head, look up. Exhale, lead with your hips, push it back, modified down dog. Inhale, knees come down, drop the belly low, look up. And exhale, push your weight back, modified down dog. Last time. Inhale, deep breath in. Open the heart. Exhale, lead with the hips, keep the knees bent, and push it back. Extending your legs and walk your feet towards your hands. Take as many steps as you need, 4 to 6 steps. Inhale, halfway lengthen as you place your hands on your thighs. You have a flat back, eyes look forward. And exhale, folding your hands down. Now take this moment. You can always place, if you need the blocks, they really come in handy. You can place it under your hands, 1 or 2 blocks, whatever you need. And walk out your legs, pedaling it out. As you bend one knee and straighten the other. Just getting that nice bend and extension as you feel that lovely stretch through the back of the legs. And try to push more of your weight forward so we're not so lean back, so that we keep our tailbone directly stacked over the feet. So we can go deeper into the back of the legs, into lengthening the spine. Good, and then we're gonna place and release the block on the side and start to roll one vertebrae up at a time, coming all the way into standing. Open your arms and reach up towards the sky. Exhale, hands in front of your heart. Release the arms along the side body. We're gonna step our right foot back into triangle pose. So left toes are still facing forward. Make sure your front heel is facing towards the center of your back foot. We want a good width stance. Our arms come into a T. Our core is engaged. Inhale, deep breath in. And as you exhale, you're gonna hinge forward and then let your left hand grab onto your shin bone as your right arm reaches up towards the sky. Taking some arm circles, you're gonna inhale and reach forward and down, back, and around for 1. Now be mindful that we keep that alignment with our feet. Our right hip is pointing up towards the sky. And just allowing your eyes to follow the fingertips every time you circle, and you're breathing through this to receive the full benefits of this posture. Letting this create more range of motion into that right shoulder. Let your right arm reach straight up now. Stack your arms here. Deep breath in. And exhale out. Lift your upper body back up. Your arms are in a T, both legs are straight. And we're just gonna turn now and face forward, all 10 toes. Grab your blocks. Place one block on the outer edge of your foot. Now the nice thing about the blocks is we have 3 different sides we can use. We can use the flat side, or we can use the medium side, or even the tall side. We wanna make sure that we have good balance in our blocks and our hands are flat on it. So flat side is good to use here, but if you need to, always use the medium. All 10 toes are facing together as wide as the hips. And we're going to inhale and bend our front knee. Our back leg is straight, so we're in a supported high lunge. Head lifts up. And then exhale, you're gonna straighten both of your legs. It's okay if you can't straighten all the way. Just do as much as you can here. And then inhale, bend your front knee, look up. Exhale, push your weight back, pyramid pose. Inhale, coming back into lunge, look up. Keep those hands flat onto the blocks. Straighten both legs back into pyramid. Inhale, bend the front knee, lunge and look up. And exhale, straighten both legs, push it back, pyramid. And just hold here. Imagine your right hip shifting forward as your left hip shifts back, which will allow to square the hips more. Feeling this nice stretch through the back of the left hamstring. Deep breath in. Exhale, let it all go. Bending your front knee. We're going to step our right foot forward to meet our left. Have your blocks ready on the side. And we're going to take it to the other side. So all you're going to do is just turn your toes to face the other way. So right toes are facing towards the back. left toes facing forward, and make sure your feet are aligned with your right heel facing towards the center of your back foot. We're going to take our arms in a T, squeeze the belly in. Inhale, start to hinge towards the right. Then drop the right hand on your shin. Left arm reaches up, really reach the fingertips, spread them wide. And then start to circle that left arm. And you want to go nice and slow here, so you can really feel this opening in your shoulder. You'll also feel it in the side body. Taking full range circles. Using your breath. Full inhale and exhale each time you circle it around. Bringing more mobility into this left shoulder. And then reaching straight back up. Stack your shoulders here. Stacking those hands. Inhale. Exhale. Begin to come back into a T as your legs stay straight. Body is up. And then release your hands. Grab your blocks. You're facing towards the back of your mat now. And we're going to finish off with the other side. So all 10 of your toes will face forward, just as wide as your hips with your feet. Have your blocks on the side and start to bend your front knee into a lunge. Hands are flat on the blocks or on the mat. Look up as you inhale. And exhale, straighten both legs, push it back into pyramid. Inhale, bend the front knee, look up. Exhale, push your weight back, pyramid. Inhale, bend the front knee, look up. And exhale, push it back. Inhale, deep breath in, open your heart. Exhale, push it back, fold it down, let your head be heavy. All 10 toes facing forward, your left hip is shifting a little forward as the right hip pushes back gently. And it's okay, don't worry about how it looks, just only focus on how it feels. Knowing with each and every practice will allow you to go deeper into more flexibility, more strengthening, more toning. Take another deep breath in. And exhale, we're going to release and bend that front knee. Step the left foot to meet the right. You can place your blocks on the side. And let's come down onto our tailbones in easy pose, just how we started. Sit up nice and tall. Relax shoulders heavy away from the ears. And open the arms. Take a deep breath in as you reach them up towards the sky. Exhale, hands down in front of your heart. Inhale, open your arms, deep breath in, reach them all the way up. Hands pressed together, exhale. And inhale, open the arms again, reaching as high as you can, pressing the palms together on the exhale. Bring the palms down to your heart in prayer. And thank yourself for making it today on your mat. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Subscribe to Yena Yoga, leave me a comment, and I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.